If you're new here, welcome. I'm Polina, and I've spent years managing projects across different industries. And first, a huge thank you to everyone who watched my Project Management for Dummies series. That series covered the fundamentals, and if you haven't seen it yet, I'll link it here. Now, in the series, we are keeping things light, fun, and practical, breaking down common myths, mistakes, and quick tips that can help you think like a project manager, even if it's not your job title. And if you're looking to go deeper into project management, don't worry, there's more to come. Think project management is just making Gantt charts and sending emails? Think again. Today, we are busting the biggest myths about project management, so you'll never underestimate it again. Myth number 1. Project managers just organize tasks. Ever heard someone say, "Oh, project managers just check things off a to-do list"? If only it were that simple. A project manager's real job is to align stakeholders, mitigate risks, and make sure projects deliver value, not just get tasks done. Think of a movie director. If they just wrote a short list but never coordinated the crew, actors, or a budget, would the movie happen? Same with projects. Project managers don't just track tasks. They make sure the entire process runs smoothly. Myth number 2. Good project plans, no problems. If that were true, project managers wouldn't exist. A perfect plan doesn't mean a smooth project, because plans don't execute themselves. Let's say you're organizing a big conference. You've locked in speakers, booked the venue, sent invites. A perfect plan, right? Then boom! A speaker cancels last minute, or the caterer gets the wrong date. What happens now? A great project manager adapts quickly, solves problems, and keeps things moving despite the chaos. Myth number 3. Project management is only for big corporations. Wrong! Every industry, every job, and even your personal life benefits from project management skills. If you've ever planned a wedding, organized a trip, or remodeled a kitchen, you were managing the project. Startups, marketing, healthcare, freelancing, project management is everywhere, even if you don't call it that. So the next time someone says project managers just push paperwork, you'll know the truth. But we are just getting started. In my next video, I'll break down the top 3 reasons why projects fail and how you can prevent them. It's coming in 2 weeks, so make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you soon, and bye-bye.